Hello and welcome to COP 4708. In this session, I will go over downloading and installing Oracle 11G. Um, we have 10G, the Express Edition, and I will explain 11G in this session. Whichever one you prefer to use, it's fine with me. Already 10G is uploaded to the website. So you can follow the instruction with the 10G if you'd like, the 10G Express Edition. The same for 11G Express Edition, not much of a change. Maybe the interface is a little bit different, but they have also the command screen for SQL code to enter the code and then just execute the code and look at the tables that's been created or the views or any other items that's been created within the database. Whether it's 10G or 11G, that will be fine with me. Whatever is easy for you, you can use. The reason that we are using Oracle G Express Edition because Express Edition has a user interface more friendly than the Enterprise or than the Professional and other Oracle software packages. Based on that, we are going to use that interface to maneuver or to navigate through the database system itself and create the tables and the views that we need in this session or in the next sessions. So first, to download the software, you can just search it on Google. Again, you can type Oracle 11G or 10G, like I did with the session of the 10G Express Edition. And if you have Windows 64, you can specify that, and you should find 11G64 for your computer. But this should work for both, whether it's 64 or 32. It should work. It worked fine with me, so it should work for you. And this one is the Enterprise Edition, so you don't need this one. But once you specify in the search that you need Oracle J11, Oracle 11G Express Edition, then it will give you the list, and it will be the third one. Most likely it will be the third one for you too, but it should be the same. Click on this one, and that will take you to the proper version of the software that you can download. You have to accept the terms and conditions in the top here to be able to download, and most likely it will be asking you for your username and password. Let's do that. I can open the internet and search for Oracle 11G Express Edition for Windows, and again you can see that it's the third one from top. You click on that one and you will see the accept, and once you click on accept the license, it will take you to the download, so you can download this release. Once you click on the download, it will ask for username and password. If you don't have one, you can just sign up for free for the web account, and it will ask you for just an email and a password. Okay. After downloading Oracle 11G, you will find it in a certain file. So open that file and click on the setup.exe, and if it's compressed you have to extract it and get to the files that's saved over there. I'll show you the documents. I'll show you the download that I have here. It downloaded for me the Oracle Express edition 11 as zip file, and you can extract all, or you can open and then click on the setup.exe and it should start the installation for you. As usual, you start the installation for the Express edition and it will give you the wizard, boxes, and you just go with the information that they have. You click next to continue the installation for the 11G Express edition. It will ask you to accept the agreement, the license agreement, so accept and click next. Then it will ask you if you would like to change the directory where this will be installed, and it's preferred just to keep it as is. Just click next and it will go to the next page where it will ask you for a password for the system administrator. And the system administrator for Oracle, it's by default username sys or system. That's the username. So you have sys or system as a username, and you enter a password. For me, I entered Oracle as a password, and then you click next. It will provide the information that will be installed on your machine, and click install to install all these information. So the installation will begin, and once it's done, it will ask you to display the database or database homepage, and you can launch it, or if not, if you forgot or you skipped that option or it doesn't have that option, then you just click on start all programs Oracle Database 11G Express Edition and get started. Also, you will see an icon actually on the desktop that says get started. So either you go to get started through the start all programs and Oracle, or you can click on the get started on the desktop. For 10G, it will ask you to go to the home page. And also for the 10G, we had to set up the browser, whether it's Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or Firefox, to be able to open such port for the database. For 11G, they took care of that problem. You don't have to do it, and it will open it directly. Once you say get started, it will give you the main page for Oracle, and already opened the port, which is 127.0.0.1. That's already been opened and allowed to get through with your computer. Now, all what you need to do is to click on Application Express, Application Express here, this tab, and once you click on the Application Express, that will take you to the login screen. So I will go to Get Started with Oracle. And then I will click on the Application Express, and I'll put the name as System, and then the password as Oracle. Once I'm in, actually I can create a new user if I want. And I did create a new user that's called COP 4708. It will be the same, which is the Application Express username, the same. So for the database and for the Application Express username, it will be the same. And the password, you can do any kind of password, but just remember what kind of password did you use to do that. And if you already have an account, you can just click here to log in to the account. Once you're done, you can just go to the just log in to the screen, and you will find this user interface where you can actually use SQL Workshop and press on the command, SQL command, and here you can enter the code and execute the code that you have in Oracle. So if you need to create a table, you just write create table, and you write the name of the table and the other information for the table. And once you're done, actually you can browse the table, and you can see the tables that's been done in the database. So this is how you install and how you download and install Oracle 11G. And again, you can use 10G or 11G Express Edition. That will be fine. There's not much of a difference. Just the interface here is different, but mostly other information within even the Oracle Express Edition itself is the same, because you can browse object that you created, so you can look at the table. And for me, like, I created the artist table, and I can see the artist ID here as an example. So for everything that we need, we can use the SQL Workshop, we can do the command, we can browse for object, we can use the SQL script, we can use the different utilities that's available for us, such as creating reports about the different tables, all that under one tab. In the 10G Express Edition, it was under different tabs. So again, just the interface is different a little bit, but it should do the same functionalities that the 10G did before. And it's your choice to use 10 or 11. I will use 10 in the lectures, but if we need to give an example or two, I can give an example or two in 11G for the people who will be using 11G Express Edition. That will be all for the session. Thank you and have a great day.